What if I told you that in 2026, it's not just about how much money you make, but what you know and how you use it that determines your financial success? A lot of people are working hard every day but still feel stuck financially, and if that sounds like you, you're not alone. The good news is, with the right skills, you can completely change your financial future. Even if you're starting from zero, the first skill is financial literacy. This is simply understanding how money works, how to budget, save, spend wisely, and avoid unnecessary debt. Think about it. Have you ever wondered where all your money goes at the end of the month? Most people don't track their spending, and that's where the problem starts. Once you begin to understand your money, you start to control it instead of it controlling you. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And let me ask you, what essential skill do you currently have for financial success? Be honest with yourself and drop it in the comments. The second skill is digital and AI skills. We're living in a time where your phone or laptop can literally become your source of income, whether it's creating content, freelancing, or using AI tools to work smarter. The opportunities are endless. The question is, are you using technology to build your future, or just to pass time? Even learning one simple skill online can open doors you never expected. Next is income diversification. One income stream is no longer enough in today's world. Imagine depending on just one job, and something unexpected happens. That's a risky position to be in. That's why building multiple streams of income is so important. It could be a side hustle, a small online business, or even passive income. You don't have to do everything at once, just start with one and grow from there. Another key skill is understanding investing. Saving money is great, but if your money is just sitting there, it's not really working for you. It might feel confusing at first, but every expert started as a beginner. The important thing is to start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Finally, discipline and consistency. It's easy to get motivated, but staying consistent is the real challenge. Building wealth isn't about quick wins, it's about small, smart decisions repeated over time, even when it feels slow. Progress is still progress. At the end of the day, financial success in 2026 isn't about luck, it's about skills, habits, and mindset. Which of these skills are you going to start working on today? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building wealth and creating financial freedom.